If you're in the South Carolina area, Sal's offers a monthly box. That's perfect because in this little box, it's like Happy Mail. They say that they give you things that are related to your area and timely to plant. When you're an adult, you can eat honey anytime you want. I still don't think my husband's on board for a cow, but it's on my list.
The seeds and everything, stuff you can plant monthly, is geared towards kind of like the smaller area and people really wanting to learn how to grow. Because you can grow so much in a smaller area. So that's a monthly subscription you can get. We also have blogs online and everything. And a lot of people think May is way too late to plant. May is when you need to plant. Good Friday, that is just the biggest myth that somebody came up with. It's way too cold. We've already had, what, 5 frosts that would have killed everything by now. So May is when you need to plant.
What's in? Oh! In your May box, mini sunflowers, big sunflowers, squash, zucchini, cucumbers, okra, mini icebox watermelon. Yay! Sage, parsley, dill, bee information, and a local honey sample. I am freaking out about that. Coupons, instructions, and a special gift, a hummingbird feeder.
Nice.
My kids are going to be so excited about the hummingbird feeder.
A whole lot of stuff in a tiny little box.
And giving us information about how to work with nature and who needs bees and the importance of bees. I'm like, for people that don't know what we're doing, this is super exciting.
So you walk into the store and you see something, I mean, it's like picking up something on a shelf at Walmart. You have no idea what all went into that. And also this way is showing you, hey, you can grow your own stuff in a very small area and very super healthy stuff. A lot of stuff in the grocery store has been on the shelf for a long time, or they've been picked non-ripe, shipped across the country. They taste bad, there's no nutritional value into them. They've got heavy pollutants, chemicals, all kind of stuff on it. Strawberries have Advantage for dogs on them, for God's sakes. I can't eat, I'm allergic to Advantage.
Okay, so I got the instructions. Oh, how cute is this? That is too cute. We will be hanging that at some point this weekend. And nectar recipe. Don't put red dye in it.
We're putting our boxes into schools, and they're being used as a fundraiser. So when the garden clubs go out, they sell a box, you get half off, and that profit goes right to the garden club. We don't profit anything off that, and that's for signing up for the subscription. So.
And tell me a little bit about the garden club itself.
There's several ones. We're working with the Midlands South Carolina Charter Club to start with, but we're also working with a bunch of homeschool ones, and they all summer long are planning, trying to raise awareness on what to plant, how to plant, where our food comes from, the difference between GMO, non-GMO. We're really trying to get people healthier and thinking about growing instead of just going to the grocery store and picking it up.
Why is that?
Well, first of all, everybody needs to know where it comes from, and they need to appreciate the farmers that are out there putting that into the store.
Here's all my seeds. Isn't that cute? I mean, details matter. That is super cute. And then what do we have here? Oh, and my herb garden. Sage, parsley, and dill. This is very exciting. Need biscuits. Need biscuits. A card for the local honey. Coupon, yes. And then information from the South Carolina Beekeepers Association. Hey, honey, we can join. We can join the South Carolina Beekeepers Association. It's only $10 a year. My handsome husband. Hey. We're gonna do stuff with it over the weekend, right?
That's the case. We got a lot to do this weekend.
We do. Remember, we don't post on Saturday or Sunday, so Monday and probably into next week, right? We'll be recapping
Right.
the weekend.
Lots of stuff happening.
Neighborhoods could grow very, very small place. You can grow a lot.
We thought we would let the crazies cook up the nectar for the hummingbirds to show how easy it is for it to be done. Is it easy to do the feeder?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, it's been real, it's been fun, and it's probably been real fun, especially since we're the ones doing the insanity and not you. So don't you want to subscribe? Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you get to live vicariously through our insanity. So, subscribe.